Looking to grind fresh meat at home for burgers, sausages, or even pet food? A reliable meat grinder can transform your cooking, giving you control over texture, flavor, and quality. In this list of the top 5 best meat grinders, we'll explore powerful, durable, and versatile options that make meat preparation faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 1. Cheffano Stainless Steel Meat Grinder. Looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile meat grinder for your kitchen? The Cheffano Stainless Steel Meat Grinder might just be the perfect choice. ETL approved for safety, this heavy-duty grinder comes with premium food-grade accessories, including 3 grinding plates, 2 mm, 5 mm, and 7 mm, 2 blades, a food pusher, and attachments for sausage stuffing and cubby making. That means it's not just a grinder, it's an all-in-one tool to level up your cooking. Under the hood, the Cheffano grinder packs a 100% pure copper motor with a rated power of 350W and a peak power up to 2600W. This allows it to grind up to 180 pounds of meat per hour, saving you time and effort while ensuring consistency. Thanks to its 3-layer auger design, it reduces heat buildup, locking in nutrition and keeping your ground meat fresh and healthy. Operation is simple with just an ON and REV button for unclogging. While the parts aren't dishwasher safe, they're easy to clean by hand. Plus, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty with free replacements. A safe, powerful, and multifunctional choice, the Cheffano Meat Grinder is a true kitchen companion. Number 2. LEM Stainless Steel Electric Meat Grinder. If you're serious about processing meat at home, the LEM Stainless Steel Electric Meat Grinder is built to deliver both strength and reliability. Weighing in at 32 pounds, this rugged powerhouse is designed for hunters, home chefs, and anyone who wants fresh, customized ground meat right in their kitchen. Powered by a 5 HP high-torque induction motor, this grinder runs on 110 volts and is permanently lubricated for long-lasting performance. It even has a built-in circuit breaker for added safety. With this setup, the grinder can process about 7 pounds of meat per minute, making it perfect for handling 3 to 5 deer per year or bulk meat purchases. The LEM grinder includes 3 stainless steel plates for 0.5 mm, 10 mm, and a stuffing plate, a durable stainless steel knife, a meat stomper, and 3 stuffing tubes for making sausages of different sizes. It even comes with a bushing removal tool for easy maintenance. This machine isn't just about grinding burgers, it's versatile enough for sausages, pet food, or prepping game. Best of all, it's backed by a 5-year factory warranty and lifetime customer support, ensuring peace of mind and reliable service for years to come. Number 3. Aiheal Electric Meat Grinder. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful meat grinder for everyday use, the Aiheal Electric Meat Grinder is a great pick. Weighing just 3.3 kilograms, it's lightweight, easy to move around, and doesn't take up much counter space. Despite its size, it packs a serious punch with a 300W motor that can reach up to 3200W max locked power, making it fast and efficient for grinding beef, chicken, pork, venison, fish, and more. The Aiheal is more than just a grinder, it's a 3-in-1 versatile kitchen tool. You can make sausages, traditional kibbe, or prepare fresh ground meat for meatballs, burger patties, bolognese sauce, and more. With 3 grinding plates, 2 mm, 5 mm, and 7 mm, and 3 sausage stuffing tubes, it adapts easily to your cooking needs. Made from food-grade stainless steel and equipped with a pure copper motor, it's built for durability and safe operation. Overload protection and a locking knob ensure peace of mind while using it. The simple ON and R buttons make operation easy, even for beginners. Cleaning is also hassle-free since all attachments can be removed, though they are not dishwasher safe. Backed by worry-free customer support, the Aiheal grinder delivers power, safety, and versatility in one sleek package. Number 4. Cineda Heavy-Duty Meat Grinder. If you want power, durability, and versatility in your kitchen, the Cineda Heavy-Duty Meat Grinder is a solid choice. Weighing just 3.9 kilograms, it's compact yet equipped with a 700W rated motor that can reach a maximum output of 3000W. With this power, it grinds up to 2 pounds of meat per minute, making it perfect for quick meal prep, whether you're making fresh burgers, sausages, or even vegetarian recipes. The Cineda comes with a full set of multifunctional accessories, 2 stainless steel grinding plates, 5mm and 7mm. A fan plate, 2 sharp stainless steel blades, a food pusher, cubby and sausage filler attachments, plus a handy storage box that doubles as a meat receiver. This means you can easily prepare meatballs, patties, and more with just one machine. Safety and ease of use are top priorities. A simple one-button control with on/off hold makes operation straightforward, while the REV function helps unclog the grinder instantly. Built-in thermal protection and a circuit breaker prevent motor damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Cleaning is simple, with removable parts that can be washed by hand or placed in the dishwasher, except the main grinder body and tray. Backed by the 24th of July customer support and free part replacement, the Cineda meat grinder offers both reliability and peace of mind for your kitchen. Number 5. Aobosi Electric Meat Grinder. If you're looking for a modern, user-friendly grinder with powerful performance, the Aobosi Electric Meat Grinder is worth checking out. What sets this machine apart is its smart touch color screen for easy operation and an auto-reverse function that prevents clogging and jamming. That means no more frustrating stalls, just smooth, hassle-free grinding every time. With a rated power of 350 W and a max output of 3000 W, the Aobosi can grind up to 4 pounds of meat per minute, making it perfect for busy kitchens or large batches. Its enhanced 2025 motor system ensures consistent, efficient performance, though it's best to avoid running it continuously for over 10 minutes to prevent overheating. This grinder also features 3 speed settings: meat, sausage, and reverse, giving you precise control for everything from burgers and meatballs to homemade sausages and kibba. The included accessories: 2 blades, 3 grinding plates, sausage and kibbe attachments. All store neatly inside the unit with its built-in storage, keeping your kitchen organized. Best of all, the stainless steel plates and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. With its innovative design and versatility, the Aobosi meat grinder is a smart upgrade for any home cook.